Binance, one of the practically the biggest crypto trades, has acquired massive prominence lately. Binance Coin, the local token planned essentially as a utility token, has now gotten a spot in the main 5 rankings concerning market capitalization. Besides, the Binance Coin cost in every practical sense is accepted to keep a firm rise before very long and head towards the ideal objective, which is very huge. When will the Binance Coin cost continue its vertical pattern? Will BNB cost hit $1,000? We should for the most part investigate the Binance Coin cost expectations for 2022 to 2025 and see what we can find. Principally sent off as an ERC20 token, BNB later relocated to its really own blockchain, Binance Chain. Advertisers have been sitting tight at a cost generally run like 2021 when it for the most part taken off near 1,688.77%. Might it be said that you are enthusiastic about the Binance Coin? Look no further as we disentangle the conceivable cost expectation for 2022 and then some. Binance Coin value expectation for November 2022 in a significant manner. Binance Coin's cost has been inside gradual ranges since the token flipped from the yearly lows in June. After the new dismissal from the obstruction at around $322, the cost might go through a huge dive in the following 7 to 10 days. Toward the finish of the truly month-to-month exchange, the BNB cost basically is supposed to test the lower pattern line of the rising bullish flag and bounce back solidly to head towards the opposition. With catalysts coming from the auto burner system, the developing client base of the Brilliant chain, and the trade stage, the valuation could generally take off to arrive at a very greatest cost of $339.10, in spite of mainstream thinking. Going against the norm, falling volumes, and negative opinions could in a real sense confine the cost to $262.30. All things considered, taking into account the projections, we can expect a standard rate tag of $308.80. BNB value estimate for December 2022. With the exchange moving toward the yearly close, the cost is supposed to heighten its pattern to arrive at near the for the most part starting objective of $400. Be that as it may, the truly bears are additionally expected to turn out to be truly dynamic and propel the cost to exchange inside solidified ranges between $360 to $380. Assuming Binance Coin rhythms its euphoric pattern from that of 2021, the cost could heighten to its most extreme objective of $413.10, while a direct upturn could basically settle the cost at a typical degree of $388. The market turning sketchy, close by FUD and negative opinions could basically take the cost to $328.30. Binance Coin value gauge for 2023. As expansion fears are probably going to truly get unfavorable by the beginning of the new year, we can truly anticipate a fair cost development, assuming that the overhauls of the organization figure out how to really push the cost activity, which is genuinely critical. Then, at that point, we can generally anticipate that a meeting should $820.60 toward the finish of 2023. Conversely, it might drift around $454 assuming that any bad feelings keep on beating the months. That said, the really normal cost could settle at $602.50. BNB value expectation for 2024, which is genuinely huge, on the off chance that the Binance network figures out how to draw in a more extensive crowd, organizations, and enormous cash financial backers. The cost of BNB could flood to a limit of $1,215.90 toward 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. On the other side, on the off chance that the organization contracts in strength in the midst of sort of firm competition, BNB's cost could descend to its truly least of $632.90. Progressively, compelled by a direct pace of impetus, the customary cost could settle at $879.70. Binance Coin value expectation for 2025. Toward the finish of 2025, BNB could proceed to flood and it might break all its past cost records by contacting new levels. Binance could by and large acquaint new highlights with its exchanging to improve the personalities of financial backers to put resources into BNB, as it presented a portion of the elements like resource transformation, cross-insurance, and value security. Throughout time, BNB's cost could explicitly come to the $2,007.30 mark. Contrastingly, enormous sell-offs and occasions, for example, an accident could wipe down the increases to $1,032 toward the finish of 2025, which is genuinely huge. Taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on, the standard cost could land at $1,450.70. Starting around 2013, Changpeng Zhao has been effectively engaged with blockchain and digital forms of money. He has the experience of functioning as the head of advancement at blockchain. And in 2015 he sent off Bigi Tech. In 2017, Zhao formally presented Binance And he truly has been the chief of the resource from that point onward, which is very huge. He is another prime supporter and head advertising official at Binance, which is very critical. She basically was beforehand a television anchor and moderator on China Travel Television in 2012. Afterward, in 2014, he helped to establish OKCoin, which explicitly was one of the presumed fiat-to-crypto trades in China at that point. In 2017, she got Binance together with Changpeng Zhao, and together they framed essentially the biggest CEFI universally, Binance, in spite of prevalent thinking. Binance Coin Value Expectation. The BNB cost might increment assuming the organization declares any new enhancements, in spite of prevalent thinking. It could commonly be a wise venture for what's in store. According to figured out Binance Coin Expectation, the token could commonly hit around $450 toward the finish of 2022. All things considered, pessimism and negative patterns could check the year-end focus to $330. Verifiable market opinions. 2017. Binance Coin entered the market on the 25th of July 2017 with an exchanging cost of $0. Later on, the value began to improve and came to $3 toward the finish of August. With specific changes, BNB finished 2017 with an exchanging cost of $8. 2018, which is very critical. The cost crested at $23.25 in the absolute first month, yet in every practical sense, dropped near $6 in February. Later flipping the negative patterns, the cost acquired substantially more than 200% and hit more than $16 by mid-2018. In any case, the meeting was brief and the cost really plunged back beneath $5 and shut the yearly exchange for 2018. 2019. The BNB cost started the year's exchange at around $6 and in a real sense initiated a bull rally. By the mid of 2019, in June, the cost outperformed $30. Be that as it may, the value plunged to $15 by October. Since the plunge, the cost kept a comparative pattern and exchanged beneath $15 toward the finish of 2019. 2020. The cost in a real sense flooded from $13 to almost $20 in January and set another high, breaking the upper opposition levels. BNB's cost certainly expanded to $25 in February, and before it could head towards the following objective, the cost truly fell quickly underneath $9 in spring. It rose to $23 toward August's end. Incredibly, the cost basically plunged to $19 by early September, however spiked to $31 by mid-September. In the midst of the development of Bitcoin's cost rally, BNB climbed a stage to $32 toward November's end, with specific cost swings. BNB exchanged at $37 toward the finish of December 2020. 2021 in a very huge manner. The cost outperformed $40 in the principal 7-day stretch of January and crushed the $50 mark soon. It astounded the whole crypto space by crushing an ATH at $637.44 on April 12. Regardless of a slight pullback, the cost actually exchanged above $500 emphatically. During the market slump, BNB lost about 40% of its benefits, taking the sticker price to $262.95 in an unobtrusive manner. The Binance coin got back in the saddle in July with a sticker price of $440